Hey everyone, Dennis K here with Belize Islands Real Estate. Hope you all are doing well today. Today is Sunday, March 7th, and I have something pretty darn exciting to tell you about. I've been dropping these little teasers or hints about a new subdivision north of San Pedro town, and it is just absolutely stunning. I didn't want to go full public with it quite yet because there's some exciting things happening, and I just wasn't quite ready to pull the trigger, so to speak. But I figured today's the day. I just had Jesse go up and he took some incredible drone shots of this subdivision and this area. And I want to share these with you. A couple of reasons. First is because I have a lot of people looking to buy in the subdivision, but also this might be a good alternative if you're looking for something like Secret Beach, something in the path of progress, and you like that Secret Beach feel, but maybe there's nothing over there for sale right now that's piqued your interest or that's within your budget or price range. And so you're looking for something on the northeast side of the island, maybe as an alternative or as an additional investment or additional purchase. So what is this all about? Well, this is the Punta Azul South subdivision. And hopefully my computer lets me sort of scroll through some of these pictures because it is an absolutely stunning property. This is a good shot here to sort of explain it. So this is a drone shot looking from the north to the south. All right, so this is Ambergris Caye, obviously. San Pedro town is about 10 miles to the south, right about where my little cursor is here. And so to get to this property, you can either drive your golf cart from San Pedro up to the Habanero subdivision, and then at Habaneros, which is right here, hit the beach and you drive the golf cart along the beach. You see this little path right here? Let's see if we can zoom in on that. That right there is a golf cart road, golf cart path rather, that leads from the Habaneros area all the way up to Margaritaville. Now, it takes a long time to drive this, so don't think you're going to get up there anytime quick, but you see that it is doable and it is a well-traveled path. Or you can take a boat from San Pedro town up, and there's a pier here, a community pier that services all the property owners in the Punta Azul South subdivision. And it does have a little bit of damage, but that's okay. This little section here, because we're going to pay to have that fixed, and then you're going to be able to just come up by boat. Now, the subdivision runs from here to the south of it, all the way up to the north, and it is about 6 or 7 rows deep. And as you can see, it's all been cleared. So you can actually drive your golf cart up and access just about any lot in the subdivision. Let me just kind of scroll through some more pictures here. You see that there are some homes that have built in the area. And what you can see just barely here, you can see those little utility poles. So those are power lines coming up from San Pedro town. So this entire area here has power. These homes here are on the grid. I don't know if this house here that was recently built in the subdivision, it looks like they've gone with solar because I don't see any power lines coming to the home, but it does show that power is in the area. All right, so let's just kind of keep scrolling through a little bit here because these pictures are just absolutely stunning. All right, there's a good picture here. So this is the, I think it's the Cayo Francis Lagoon waterway is up in here. That's quite a ways to the back. And then on the other side of the island, this is where Secret Beach would be right up there. All right, so let's kind of keep going here. I am going to have some actual drone video too of the subdivision that I'll be able to share with you. Now, in the past 7 days, we had these 2 beachfront lots here sell, a second row lot here. We had one lot here right on the main road sell. We had 2 go under contract today right back here. And prices in this subdivision right now, I think there's only about 10 lots left, 10 or 11 lots left in this entire subdivision. It's almost sold out. Prices are going for between 35,000 and 55,000. So 55,000 for the third row. First of all beachfront is now sold. All second row is sold. We do have some third row lots in the 55 range, and then they go back 55. They'll drop down to 45 and 35, and everything left available. These last 10 or 11 lots are all available with 10, 10, 20 or 10-10-30 financing. So I know some of you guys are looking for financing a little bit longer than the 10-10-10 program because you just have a longer term plan. You know, you're not going to be building for a while. Maybe you're younger, maybe you have 5 years or 10 years or even 15 years before you start to build on your property. So you just kind of want to keep the payments low for now and extend those out a ways. But remember, all these loans here, whether it be a 10-10-10, 10-10-20, 10-10-30, these are all just reducing balance loans. So even if you get like a 20-year or 30-year mortgage, you can pay it off at any time. There are no prepayment penalties of any sort. Oh yeah, one more thing. The new Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville property, that's right up here. So you can see that being built up here. And just imagine when that gets done. All right. So you can see the power lines going up. Again, this is the shot looking from south to north. So this would be Robles Point up here. So all those areas inside the reef. This would be the Bacalar Chico National Park and Marine Reserve way up there. And let's just go and see what other kind of exciting pictures we could take a look at. All right, there we go. That's absolutely beautiful. You can see the beaches here, very, very clean. Of course, these haven't been raked in a long time. There's not many people living up here, so you see some of this dried sargassum grass here that's been on the beach for a while. But rake that up. But you notice just how crystal clear these waters are, just in its raw, natural, native state. Just so beautiful up there. Pristine, no light pollution. So when the stars come out, you can really see it. You can see they're getting ready to do some more development on these neighboring lots here. And let's see, what else did I fail to tell you about? Yeah, 10 miles north of San Pedro town, about 1.5 miles south of the Jimmy Buffett's property. This back road is not yet complete. And that's why I think it's a good deal in the path of progress. You guys hear me talking about this quite a bit. This utility easement right here is right now not passable by golf cart. So to get up here, you just take the beach. But once Margaritaville is open, it is my firm belief that they're going to want to be able to have their guests be able to drive down and access the restaurants, cafes, beach bars that run all up along the coast. So I'm assuming that either the developers will pitch in and get this passable, or the government might even pitch in, because up here is where the area is set aside for the future. We emphasize on this future international airport. The land is set aside for it. Again, right now, there are no plans. If you want to know more about that, see a video that I posted about a week and a half ago. But this road is drivable up to about a mile, 1.17 miles south of here. So right now, if you want to access this, you would just drive your golf cart up, or just have the water taxi or a boat bring you up, and you could access any of these properties. All right. So yeah, so there we go. There's a house here. I understand there's a lady that lives there full time, but look at these palm trees here. Just beautiful palm trees. They're fast growing too. So I always tell people this: even if your lot looks bare and sparse right now, like there's nothing on it, that's okay, because your builder's going to have to clear it anyway. Like all these lots in here, when you go to build, your builder's going to level it, clear it, build your home. Then they're going to come in and plant some fast-growing bougainvillea, palm trees, whatever you want. But you can just see this is just almost like picture postcard perfect, right? Just beautiful property. All right, so if you want to know more about these, again, I think we have 10 or 11 left in the entire subdivision. Prices go from 35 US to 55 US. 10-10-20 or 10-10-30 is available. And for those of you doing some calculations, your monthly payments on the lowest price lot can be as low as $263 a month, $263. And even if you went with one of the third row lots at $55,000 and did a 10-10-30 on it, your monthly payments are looking at $438. All right, so really, really good deal. All right, guys, have any questions, comments, concerns? Let me know. Again, I don't think these will last long. There's not that many of them left, but while they do last, come on and get in on the deal, and let's write up some paperwork. Let's get you into this beautiful property on Ambergris Caye. One more thing, they are all free and clear titles. So land certificates, all the titles have been upgraded. So they're all land certificates, the most protective form of title the Belize government offers. And you have access to the reef. So you can just take your kayak out, put your kayak in the water, access the reef line out here, snorkeling, diving, fishing, manatee, fishing for today's lunch or tonight's dinner out here. It is just absolutely pristine. And what else do I know? Oh yeah, yeah. So how to take title? This is a question that's come up recently. So you would take title in a Belize Chapter 250 corporation. Alberto and his team can help with that. And that gives you a lot of pros on the island. So it makes it a lot easier to do certain things by owning the property in a Belize Chapter 250. If you are paying cash for a property, then you'd form that company up front. If you're financing it, then you don't worry about forming the company until you get the lot completely paid off and you go to take title. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Glad you're watching today. I really appreciate that. Again, if you want one of these beautiful lots here in the Punta Azul South Subdivision, let me know. Any questions, comments, concerns. And hey, if you want to hit me up on a Zoom call, I'd be happy to. Just buy me a coffee. This isn't coffee, this is water, but buy me a coffee. Steph and I love your support. It allows us to open up a window of time during our day to jump on a Zoom call with you, answer any and all questions about Belize or about a subdivision such as this. And hey, we just appreciate our clients, and looking forward to working with all of you, helping to make the dream of Belize become reality. Talk to you soon.